inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a very detailed wig tutorial. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This video is sponsored by Wavymy. Thank you so much for sending over this wig for me to review. Their social medias. Ooh, you get a lot of free goodies. A headband, wig cap, face mask, a thank you card. You get $20 cash back for a video. A coupon code is on the back of the card. You get a comb. This comb is supposed to straighten your hair. Two combs in the front, one in the middle, one in the back with adjustable straps. It's super soft. You get one strand. It's thick from root to tips. Four by 4 silky straight transparent lace wig, 26 inches, 180% density. The price is $235. Shipping was 3 to 5 business days.
Quick Blue Bleach. This is the best bleach that I use for bleaching knots. 30 volume developer. T-pins. Got to be glue spray. Bleaching bowl and a brush. Stir the bleach up, make sure it's thick and not seeping through the lace. You will know when the bleach is ready when it's not falling off the brush. Pin your wig in place while bleaching and plucking the knots. Spray the hair with got to be glue spray so the knots won't bleach. Put the wig inside out so you can prepare your wig for bleaching knots. I'm starting to bleach the knots in the back because I don't want the front of the knots to be lighter. Leave the bleach on for 15 to 20 minutes. Check on it so you won't over bleach it. Lace tint spray in the color medium brown. Part the hairline out first. Spray water on the hair so it could be easier to pluck. Pluck going back. Make sure you don't pluck in the same spot or it's gonna create balding. Pin your wig back so you can cut the lace off. I'm going to cut the sides off first so it can lay down flatter. Now you want to use an eyebrow razor to cut the lace. This makes it look natural. She's bound wax stick to lay the flyaways down. Hot comb your wig so it can lay down flat. You don't want a humpy wig. I want my hairline to show, so I'm hot combing my hairline going back.
talk behind my back. The bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my